excited to show you guys my desk setup. No self-control.
I prefer Jeremiah over Conrad.
Strawberry mango. Tapos cornflakes and crushed Oreo. Tapos chocolate syrup.
Yan lang po. Isang cheesy quesadilla po. Isang green peso, dalawang yogurt, isang peach cooler, tapos isang ice cream.
Thank you. I probably enjoy this. Pala may chicken yun, no? Yeah, no, I don't like drinking it. Like, I just buy it. Nakakalang din sa pineapple, parang calamansi gusto. Kasi namin ko pala sa early.
Hi you guys, we're back home and I'm so excited to show you guys my desk setup because a few days ago Migo and I got our computers cleaned, and the shop that we got our computers cleaned from said that my PC case was getting a bit rusty and that I needed to change it because otherwise like other components of the PC might get rusty, and I don't know, that scared me a bit because that's my money maker, you know? Like I spend 80% of my time on my computer working and playing video games and editing videos. So I was like, yeah, okay, fuck it. I'll just upgrade my PC. I didn't upgrade the computer itself. I bought like a new case that's really nice. It's a case that I've been eyeing for a while now because I really like how it looks. And then along with that, I decided to get a new desk as well because I've been wanting to change my desk for a while because the last one that I had was quite small. I had it custom made to fit the house that we used to live in, and while it was a really nice house, we didn't have much space for our computers there, and so I had to get like a small desk made specifically for the space that I had back then. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, I'll show you guys what my desk setup used to look like right here. Yeah, it was a small desk, but I really liked it. We've been in this apartment for a while. I feel like I have a lot more real estate to play with in terms of like fixing our setup, and you know, we just have a lot more space in this house is what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I'm rambling. But yeah, this is my setup. Ta-da! It's so cute, isn't it? This is the case that I was talking about. I got this from a brand called Lianli, and I really like that it has like this wooden accent. The case is a lot smaller than my old case, so it was a bit of a challenge trying to transfer all my components into this one, but I really like how this looks. I feel like it fits my vibe a lot more. So got this desk from the Orange app. It's from a shop that makes like different desks and stuff. There are some things that still need to be improved, like I still need to fix like the wires and stuff, so I bought a few more accessories for cable management and just making sure the desk's more organized. And obviously like the mic's wire is in the way of the keyboard and stuff. That's something that I need to work on as well, but everything has already been ordered and shipped out. It's just a matter of like waiting for them to get here. But yeah, I'm so happy. I feel like I have so much more space. Like in my last setup, it would feel so cramped, especially when I would have like food on the table and like my coffee and my water and stuff. And now I just feel like I don't have to limit myself that much anymore. Like there's so much more space. This table is 140 by 50 cm. And while it's not huge, I feel like it's just right for the kind of setup that I have. And look, my mouse pad matches my wallpaper. Isn't that fun? That's it, you guys. It's time for me to play Sims for like 9 hours. Bye-bye. Hello, friends. Okay, first things first, I got my nails done. Look! Aren't they so cute? Anyway, I made a few changes to my desk setup and I wanted to show you guys before I make even more changes. So basically everything that I ordered for my desk has arrived, and I would have loved to show you guys like an unboxing of the other accessories that I got, but unfortunately I have no self-control and I need to open my packages as soon as I get them. Anyway, one accessory that I got is this magnetic phone charger. In my old setup, I used the same cord for charging my phone, my headphones, and my DJI, and of course like transferring files from my DJI to my PC, and it was a bit of a hassle having to switch things around every time I needed to charge something else, which is why I thought the magnetic phone charger would come in handy. It's not from an expensive brand, so it charges my phone pretty slowly, but it works, and that's what's important. And another thing that I got was a cord for my microphone. So if you remember last time, the microphone cord that came with the microphone was a bit too short for the desk size that I have now. So I got a new one that's 3 feet long just to make sure it doesn't get in the way of anything anymore. So the cord that I got is plugged into my PC, and now it goes all the way under the desk and into the microphone. And speaking of underneath my desk, I did manage to not fully unbox a few things that I got. I got this shelf thing where I can hang the extension cord that all my things are plugged into, and these adhesive Velcro organizer thingies that I'm going to use to bundle up the wires together and make it look a bit neater underneath my desk. And I got keycaps as well. My keyboard has white and purple keycaps. I had this short phase where I was really into purple. That's why my mouse is also purple. But now that I'm over it, I decided to get plain white keycaps instead to keep my desk a bit more on the neutral side, and so the purple doesn't clash with the green all that much, because I do like green more than purple, I guess. My boyfriend went on a trip with his family and he's not here right now. And I was thinking of waiting for him to come home before I mess with the wires and stuff, because I feel like he is so much better at that kind of thing. But what I can do by myself, fortunately, is change my keycaps. So I feel like I'm gonna do that. while I do that, I've been watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. I know I'm a bit late to the game, but I have a long list of shows and movies that I want to watch. And unfortunately, The Summer I Turned Pretty was not in my top 5, so I'm only catching up to it now. I'm only on season 2, episode 3, I think. I wouldn't say I'm fully invested in the show just yet, but I will say this, I do prefer Jeremiah over Conrad.
What do you want, Steven?
I'm going to Cousins.
I thought you said that you were going to let Belly handle this on her own.
Yes, I was, but, you know, Conrad called and asked me to come. Hey, look, this is the first summer without them.
Ta-da! All done. It looks pretty cool. Loki didn't realize how much the light would go through now that the keys are semi-transparent. But I think it looks nice. It looks pretty clean. Now I just have to figure out where to put the old keys and these new ones that are extra. Yeah. Good morning. I like to add a bit of cinnamon into my coffee. It just makes it taste 10 times better.